I introduced this afternoon the Transportation Safety Amendment Act 2016, and it received first reading in the House. The Act includes amendments that are part of the government's ongoing efforts to make sure that our legislation reflects current realities and aligns with other legislation. One of the amendments will strengthen impaired driving legislation by removing the first-time offenders exemption from the ignition interlock program. First-time offenders whose blood alcohol concentration is less than 0.16, which is double the legal limit, are currently eligible to apply for this exemption. Research clearly demonstrates alcohol interlock programs reduce recidivism among first-time offenders. This amendment supports Alberta's traffic safety plan by aligning with efforts to make Canada's roads the safest in the country. Drivers wishing to drive for TNCs like Uber can upgrade their licenses to a Class 1, 2, or 4 by taking a road test at any registry in the province. The responsibility for mandating police information checks for drivers of TNCs will belong with the company and not the driver. The TNC should collect, retain, and validate the police information check information subject to review by our staff. It's similar to the requirements that a trucking company must meet for its drivers. A TNC must not allow any of its drivers to operate under the company unless the driver has the appropriate insurance coverage, driver's license, and has undergone a police information check. The TNC must make these records available to peace officers and/or Government of Alberta staff for review upon demand. We are talking with our stakeholders and traffic safety partners, and the changes we're proposing reflect current and future traffic safety issues. These changes support our commitment to ensure that traffic safety legislation is kept up to date and goes a long way to ensuring fairness and transparency for Albertans.